Sandeep, firstly, congratulations on being placed.
Thank you for your wishes.
Okay. And can you tell us a bit more about your background, please? What is it that you studied earlier, and how is
Yeah,
it that you came to know about SkillLink?
2017 and the March, I have worked for around 2 years in the very small scale mechanical fabrication industry. Then after 2 years of that, I'm looking for once I quit the job because of no growth in the work. So I decided to pursue some mechanical design engineering courses, which is helped to improve my career. So I was looking for the platform where I can enhance my mechanical design engineering skill. Then when I was looking for the courses, I find skill link in the social platform. Then I contacted the team of sales team, and then I approached about the course and detailed syllabus. Then I start to enroll the course at the skill link.
Okay. And can you tell us a bit more about your experience of studying at SkillLink?
Throughout the process at the skilling, it was a good learning experience, a wonderful teaching process, the well qualified supportive engineers, which was definitely helped me to gain some technical skill in the mechanical engineering domain, especially in the design domain.
Okay. Can you compare how your SkillLink course was with respect to your undergraduate course, what you studied?
As I undergone through the skilling courses with compared to the academic syllabus, it was the skilling courses were designed with more oriented with the industrial aspect, and in the academic colleges, which is more related to theoretical approaches, it fills the gap between the industry and the academic institution. Like in the market, it is like you have a job openings, but we don't have a skill person for the particular job. So skilling has filled this gap, the bridge in between those.
Okay. And compared to your friends who have not taken up SkillLink courses, what advantage do you think you have?
I can say that the compared to the other student, you can say about the engineering approaches towards the industries and process implementation. These are all maybe compared to the earlier cases. The one who taken the courses at Skilling able to handle all these engineering approaches with very confident and with a more knowledgeable skill.
Okay. And can you tell us about one project that you did in SkillLink, which you felt was very very relevant for the job that you have applied for, and how that project helped you get this job?
Yeah, I have gone through several designs for project under the skilling pros. One which is helped during my job interview process is like automotive sheet metal design using advanced features. It was very design of sheet metal component using advanced surface commanders. The process which are followed in the project is asked in the interview process. So it was really helpful to face the interview with the confident.
Okay. And can you tell us a bit more about the technical support that was given to you at SkillLink?
Yeah, technical support scheme are really well throughout the process. They have guided me very well and supported, and it was more interactive. And they have responded on time and as I needed. And when I approached one after the other, and they conducted a special session for me when I not get clear the doubts. They have supported like email, WhatsApp, and by conducting Zoom calls. And I have interacted as long as I interacted with more, they have clarified more of my technical doubts and helped me to completed the project on time and guided throughout the process, as well as they have given the opportunity to interact with the industrial expert regarding the recent approaches which is going on the particular mechanical engineering point. Definitely, it was a great learning experience with such a well qualified technical support engineers.
Okay. And as far as your understanding of the domain is concerned, how do you think skilling has changed your understanding? For example, if before you started the skilling course, it how confident did you feel in your specialization, and once you finished the course, how confident were you?
Yeah, before joining to the skilling course, and I was not aware of the in-depth of the subject specialization or real domain knowledge about about the courses. Like suppose I assume that if design means it is only using the software, using the will put the sketch, will modeling and sketch it and fabricate. But in as long when you go through the learning process with the skilling, it was entirely different. It more comprehensive with more advanced engineering approaches has been uh, adopted in the domain knowledge.
Can you tell us a bit more about the role the student success team played in you getting this job?
Yeah, because the customer success team has played a very important role to during this job searching process, because they have guided when I have completed around 50% of the course. They have contacted me and helped me to build the resume, and then they suggested and guided me the effective use of the LinkedIn profile to how to grow the connection in the particular domain, and then follow for the section. Then one after that they keep conducting mock interviews and technical interviews. So mock interviews are conducted by the technical expert, or definitely help me to face the interview with the great confidence, and one great confidence. So one after the other, suppose the starting stages, after 2 to 3 interviews attended, I was not able to get into place. One after that, I have contacted the customer success team. Then again, uh, conducted a few more mock interviews. Then they rectified the mistakes and guided me to improve the weakness areas where I need to be correct myself regarding the technical skill, whatever the communication skill. And I'm very thankful to the customer success team process.
Thank you. We are glad we could help that way. Can you also tell us a bit more about how similar these prep interviews and tool tests that you took was to the actual interview process itself?
Yeah, the process followed in the customer success for team was the process where in the real interviewing the company's interview almost all same, and the tool test which I have taken is also helped me to finish it on the time. The time constraint is definitely helped me to finish it on time.
Okay, and as far as your personal development is concerned, do you think you have grown as an individual? Obviously, you have tasted success as a professional. You have got yourself you've got your placement that you were looking for. But as a person, do you think the course at Skilllink has helped you? The people at Skilllink have helped you grow as a person?
Yeah, it was like the experience was very good, and I from the skilling throughout the process, one I learned that to adapt, that you need to be keep trying whatever it is comes. Keep trying your effort, learn new things, and keep interacting with the more people, and try to build your network. So that all helped me to grow in my personal and professional life also.
And would you recommend Skilllink to your friends, and why?
Yeah, what I would like to recommend is that those who would like to enroll to the skilling program, they need to go through what is the interest of area, and better to talk with a consultant or a technical expert who should be the course and fine. Once they enroll to the courses, they should follow the instructed by the technical support engineer or the team head. Finish it your project on time, and talk with your placement team and follow the instruction. Keep trying, keep learning, and as long as if you interact with the more technical expert, definitely your dream job will definitely get it. And Skilllink is definitely one will be the good platform for that.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much, Sandeep, for taking the time off to talk to us. We wish you further success in your career, and we hope you come back to us to study more and get bigger and better jobs. Thank you so much.